Hello! Hello everyone! So, ito tayo guys. Walking na naman tayo. At the same time, exercise. So, walking is the best exercise and good to our health. And guys, ayun. So, very nature guys. As you can see, sama crocodile. Ano yun? Crocodile. Crocodile ata yun. Nagtakbo na. Katsako. Ito guys. My crocodile. Oh my gosh. Takot ako. Nagulat-gulat ako saglit guys. Ayun. So diba? May nasalubong din tayo dito. Ayun.